Here's how you can change the swipe down on your home screen gesture function. So what you're going to access when you swipe down on your OnePlus phone, whether it's the Oxygen OS 14 or Oxygen OS 15. To be clear, I'm talking about this here. Whenever you swipe down, you can access either the shelf or search. And in order to change what you access with that swipe down gesture, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this here. You're going to see these different options down there. So browse over until you see more. And once you go into more, you'll be taken to other home screen settings. So once you're here now, you're going to see these different options. And I want you to go down a little bit until you see swipe down on home screen. So at default, it'll most likely be set to the shelf. But if you don't want to access the shelf, when you swipe down anywhere on the home screen that's somewhere right underneath the camera here, you can choose to have it for the search, the global search. So I'll show you now, global search, what it's going to do. So if I do this here now, that's going to give me the global search here, okay? Now, if I go back here and I change that function to the last option, which would be the quick settings here, this means now that instead of having to always pull down from the very top area here, I can swipe down anywhere like that to access that. So if you're more on the left, you're going to get access to the notifications. And if you're more on the right, you're going to get the quick access. And it's really up to you to make that decision. And you can come back and change these at any given time. Like and sub.